Welcome to the Foxify tutorial by Foxicom. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to create a custom password page using Foxify Page Builder. We'll walk you through setting up the page, structuring the layout, and styling it to deliver a clean, on-brand experience when customers access your store. Let's get started. We'll begin in the Shopify admin. From the left menu, go to Online Store, then open Preferences. If your store isn't already password protected, scroll to the Store Access section, enable password protection, enter a password, and save your changes. Next, open Foxify Page Builder from your Shopify apps. From the Foxify dashboard, click Create Page and choose Password as the page type. Here, you can either start with a ready-made template or build the page completely from scratch. Inside the editor, start adding your content. Click Add Design Sections and select a Newsletter section. This section is used to collect visitors' email addresses so the store owner can notify them when the site launches. Select the design that best fits your store and drag it into the page. Once the structure is in place, move on to styling. Customize the background, colors, text, and spacing to make sure everything aligns perfectly with your brand. When you're happy with the design, click Save, then Publish. Your custom Foxify password page is now live and will replace the default Shopify password page. Be sure to preview it on mobile and tablet to ensure a smooth experience across all screen sizes. If you want even more control over how it looks on smaller devices, check out our mobile optimization tutorial. And that's it, your password page is ready with Foxify. With Foxify, building polished, on-brand pages for your store is quick and effortless. Thanks for watching. Have a feature or topic you'd like us to cover next? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Foxify tutorials by Foxicom.